Hi, my name is Michael, head of the customer service department at Decibel Hearing Aids, and today we'll be unboxing the R4X hearing aid. Now, when you first open it up, you'll see a detailed user guide that will have everything you need to use, maintain, and troubleshoot any problems you might have with your device. Now, first thing we're going to open is the accessories box. Now when you open it, you'll see that it comes with a large variety of silicone medical grade ear domes. You also notice in the bags that it comes with multiple batteries. The next thing inside the box are two cleaning brushes / volume adjustment tools on either end. Now for my favorite part, the R4X hearing aids themselves. Now when you open up the box, you will see two hearing aids already with plastic domes attached to them, with left and right designation based on color at the tips of the hearing aids themselves. My name is Michael. Thank you so much for choosing Decibel Hearing Aids. We know you're going to love it.